Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to trade ERC20 to BEP20 token with Trust Wallet. So in order to trade ERC20 to BEP20 token with Trust Wallet, you just have to follow the steps. So for that case, you have to go to login into your Trust Wallet account. So when you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, so from the home page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and press on the Discover tab. Here you need to go ahead and locate PancakeSwap. So after that, what next you have to do is you'll be taken to this field where you need to go ahead and select trade, and then you need to enter in ERC20 to BEP20. After you're done entering all of these information, click on connect to wallet, and when you're done with that procedure, then click on trade ERC20 to BEP token with the Trust Wallet. So in that way, you'll be able to trade ERC20 to BEP20 token with Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.